In this video, you will learn how you can add the captions into your video just like this. So let's get started. Click on the Play Store and type the Blink application. B-L-I-N-K Blink. Find out application, install it and open it. Click on the plus button, auto captions and select video and select the language you speak into your video. Then create captions. It will take some time. And then you can change different things like its theme, how caption appears, font, style and animations. Or you can also highlight any word into your video. You wanna highlight it, and then after different type of settings you can also add the emojis and stuff. You can also change the speed of the video, and then you can export. But this application required paid account to get the video. If you want to know how you can use the application without any paid amount, subscribe my channel. I will upload the video and do comment yes.